G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. In this episode we spent some more time in A Coruna, because we really liked it there. And when the right weather window comes we escape A Coruna and sail to Muxia. Alright, enjoy this episode.
This is our evenly every evening we've been coming here hanging out. There's nice playgrounds, and I just really like the atmosphere here. It's everybody strolling, young and old, family and dates, and just kids running around. Everybody's in the lovely Spanish routine of having a nap in the afternoon and just hanging out till like 11 o'clock at night. So today we're off to the aquarium.
We're going to the Aquarium Finistere.
It's all about
The underwater.
reproduction and everything, how reproduction happens at sea, in the sea. Here we are back home again. So we've come up to the other side of town again, of A Coruna, to come and see the Tower of Hercules. And we've especially come on a Monday because Mondays are free. made it up to the top, and there's a beautiful, beautiful vantage point from up here. And Tower of Hercules. Pretty cool.
Something like this. The other drawing pin, so I simply.
Yeah, look at the picture. They actually did it differently, but it doesn't really matter. As long as the paper clip can reach the other paper, can reach the other drawing pin, you're good.
Okay. The DC outlet. Do we need to put on the DC outlet?
Yeah, it's already on. You have to put your switch down.
This
No?
one?
That you have to make it. See? Break it, open, break, open, break. See, the moment it touches, it makes a connection as current electricity goes all the way through wire. And when you break it, you pull it apart again and it breaks the circuit.
Wait,
No
so
electricity
I
runs.
can just put
Yes,
it there and
that's
it will be
continuously on. And if you disconnect it again, it's off again.
Hey, that's so cool! I
So
can
you got
just
an electrical
put it
circuit.
this way.
Really?
Did it go in there again?
Bye, A Coruna. You are freaking awesome. Off we go. Bye, A Coruna. You're the best. Off we go. Direction south again. Beautiful sunny morning. Apparently it's going to rain today. Who knows? By a massive cruise ship. Now, A Coruna's been ace. I'm actually already having a seasickness chewy. Just we haven't sailed in 2 weeks, and getting a bit nervous, and my tummy starts to do a yeah, you know. But I've got these cool chewies, and it goes away straight away, so it's really nice.
Yes, it's been 2 weeks since we've been sailing, so it's a little bit of getting used to again. A bit rusty. But yeah, it's a beautiful day for it. 5 knots.
Of current against us.
Yeah, I think that's about half a knot current with us. Doing 5.5 knots, so we went to 6 knots. Now we got it against us, so now we're doing 5 knots. Plus there's a little hole there, acceleration. We're about 3.5 hours on the way, and we're gonna go through this little gap here between the island and the mainland, and that's you can see that here. So the wind's picked up a bit. We got about, I think about a 15 knot headwind, and yeah, it's just about to go around the corner. Another 12 minutes. It's about turning left a little bit, so we can actually get the sail out and start doing a bit of sailing. interesting rock formations here. The Cabo Filon. Last bit with the head sail up. Whoop, whoop. Another 30 minutes to go. The last pull to Muxia. This is behind the corner there. The head sail out now, we've got about 10 to 12 knot headwind. And we've got the boat.
We're just coming into Muxia now, or Muxia, and it's really pretty, really beautiful. We've just been past some really spectacular rock formations, and it's nice to come into just a nice small town without heavy industry. Just green and some buildings and a nice little port. Yeah, I think it's nice here already. Thanks, Nook.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt?
No.
A little bit?
Just a little.